There's bats flying around here. It's so cool. There's little moths flying around too. Hey man. So today was my last day of work. And I'm feeling like doing a little test ride to celebrate. I've got a really big tour coming up. There's a lot of things I want to test. And I want to hit the beach. Roxy, you're home. You can say goodbye to me when I go off on my overnighter.
Okay. But I wanted to film because last year when I did the KVR.
Yeah. Oh, so you did the KVR?
Yeah, last year.
Oh, that's awesome.
So I just had my iPhone set up.
Uh-huh.
We didn't even run tours on it after that week.
Oh, okay.
Because I didn't want to take this bike, so I rented a bike.
Yeah, well, this is the bike I'm bringing with me.
Awesome.
I got it for a while. I had a similar bike back in the day. It wasn't a Lavadome, it was a Hahana, but I kind of liked it. So I saw this one on Facebook Marketplace, and I was like, I'm gonna try it out. If I like it, I'm not even gonna lowball them. I'm just gonna pay them the money.
Yeah.
Cause.
Well, it's still
Yeah.
cheaper than buying new.
Oh yeah, it's only 250 bucks.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I biked the Arbutus Greenway to this place, aka Frasier River Park. I didn't really intend on going too far, and this place looks pretty nice. I'm sure it clears out at night. Savvy? I think this is where I want to be. I decided not to stay at that Frasier River Park because I wanted a beach spot more oceany, and those were all river style. That trail, while good, wasn't quite what I was looking for, but I've got my eye on another spot. Stay tuned. Introducing what is supposedly the Southlands River Trail. This just says River Trail. Close enough. Boats, boats, boats. Boats and boats. And trail. And horse poop. Lots and lots of horse poop. They should call this the Horse Poop Trail. So I'm testing out the chest mount, and now you can see what I see, which is mostly horse poop. Here are the stairs I've been down. And here, through the bush, if you can see, is the stairs I have to do. And here's some more stairs. Just taking a somewhat needed break. Here's me. There's the bike. Here's the forest. And I'll catch you later down at the beach. Sup? Told you I'd catch you at the beach. Well, this is the spot right here. You want to see it before the tent is set up and everything? There's the bike. Oh, by the way, I've got a name for the bike. How about this? How about this? The Ninja Turtle. And that's what I brought on an overnighter. Here's the campsite view. See, this is more ocean. This is what I was envisioning. The other place was a little bit too river. You see this landmass over here. That's Vancouver Island. Vancouver Island is fucking sick. I gotta pay a visit soon. I got a feeling I will be visiting Vancouver Island very, very soon. So the glasses are on. That means I'm hunkering down. The tent, as you could see by the time lapse, is set up. Took me a little longer than usual. It's just been a little while since I've used the tent. It's quite spacious. Is what I got. Oh yeah, my buddy in the video that was talking to me when I was setting up the tent. I don't know. He was just a random guy on the beach. He told me that he might buck up somewhere around here, so this might turn into a little bit of a slumber party. There's bats flying around here. It's so cool. There's little moths flying around too. And I think the bats are coming out to eat the moths. The time is pretty much 5 a.m. on the dot. So I have to take down camp early because of the stairs. So I reckon because it's Saturday, pretty soon there's gonna be a lot of people coming down those stairs. And it's just gonna be a lot easier to get all my bike gear to the top of the stairs when there isn't heaps of people coming down the stairs. So I think my plan for this morning is just get out of here quick and find a nice spot to have breakfast, have a tea, and then do some exploring, or maybe perhaps do some going home, because I've got to pack for Sunday. I'm flying to Ontario pretty early on Sunday to drop some stuff off. Then I'll be flying back out west. That's my alarm. I don't know if you can hear it in the video, but my alarm's going off. Do 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 do. Okay. I'll probably see you on the stairs. Packing up, packing up. It's easy because it's dry. And this is my morning view. It's like last night's view, but more morning. I really like this rock right here. Just this big old rock right here. Probably dropped by a glacier, but I really don't know. I wonder how long it's been here. Ancient. An early ferry. So there's actually two ferries out there. Here's the first ferry, ferry number 1. And if I pan over to here, here's another ferry. 2 ferries. Bike is all packed up. Tent's gone, leaving no trace other than perhaps a footprint. So the idea here is take the bike up the stairs a little bit, take the bags up the stairs a little bit. That way I don't have to carry them both at the same time. And I can do more filming on the stairs. Where I camped on the Foreshore Trail inside of Pacific Spirit Regional Park. And oh, I guess I didn't know. Well, I promise, I super promise, I will never camp illegally ever again. This is the spot. So I jotted down some notes. Oh wait, those aren't the notes. So anyways, I was thinking one thing I need to do. Number 1, I need to get a proper pillow. I forgot to bring a pillow. But you know, you're bound to forget things here and there. And it was an overnighter. This is this is why I did a test ride, so I can remember these things next time. The tent is just way too big, man. I bought the tent. Well, usually that's the tent I usually use with my girlfriend, and it kind of worked for both of us because there's 2 of us. But it's way too big for one person on a solo tour. The footprint is huge. It just stands out like a sore thumb, even though it's green. I'm not too sure if I'm going to replace the tent or just roll with it and maybe think about replacing the tent later. I kind of prefer a two-person tent. I mean, there's those ultralight one-person tent. I find it's just not big enough. You can't get you have to have your bags in the vestibule. It feels a little too much like a coffin. It's not very roomy. You kind of, but I find anything bigger than a two-person is just way too big to be stealthy or wild camp. I find the two-person tent perfect. Another thing I was thinking about is maybe having a more cohesive plan. But I also thought if I had a more cohesive plan, I wouldn't have done all those cool detours like the Frasier River and gone down the Arbutus Greenway and all these things around Vancouver that I wanted to see. So I have mixed feelings about that one, you know, to the extent that it's going to be implemented, this and that. And wow, batteries. I have a lot of things that need to be charged and stay charged. So I really have to be mindful about batteries. I do have a lot of power banks. At home, I would have to just go searching through the Jeep, searching through the drawers, searching through the backpacks, find all the power banks, because I think I'm going to need every single power bank. Well, I think I'm just going to hang out here for a little while, but we'll have a brief interlude, a brief dog interlude, and we'll get back to the test ride. Welcoming party. And this dog. And this one. He seems kind of unsure. He might not be with the other pack. Hey, buddy. Are you just gonna walk on by? Later. This is my corner, and this is my house. This is my corner. Wow, that could be taken in a pretty bad way.